Hi guys, welcome to my channel, IT's Tech World, and today we are gonna learn how to make your PC look insane cool. Follow me step by step, and before we start, give us thumbs up that in 3, 2, 1, let's go. So first right click on the screen and then select Personalize. Then go to Colors and scroll down a bit and find Choose your default Windows mode and switch it to light, and then down find Choose your default app mode and switch to dark, and first step completed. Second step. Right click on taskbar and go up to toolbars and check links and uncheck desktop. And then go down and uncheck Lock the taskbar. And drag all the way to the end, and it will automatically pop up at the other side, and then drag it again to the middle. And then check Lock taskbar. And then go down to Search and check Hidden. Go down to News and Interests and check Show Icon and Text. Go down and uncheck Show Cortana button. Go down and uncheck Show Task View button. Go down and uncheck Show People on taskbar. Go down and uncheck Show Windows Ink Workspace button. Go down and uncheck Show Touch Keyboard button. And then right-click on the taskbar and click on the taskbar settings. And turn on the second one and fourth one, and then close it. Second step completed. Third step. First go to Microsoft Store and search for Lively Wallpaper and hit Install. And I will also put a link down in the description. So before it's downloading, right click on the screen and go to View and uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Once it's downloaded, open it. Find a cool Lively wallpaper and click on it. And that's it for today guys, hope to see you in the next video. Peace.